How do you practice radical acceptance? An extremely important step in your life that is complicated to answer, but I'm gonna try to simplify it as best as I can. I hope you watch this video and I hope you take it seriously, because this, I'm not kidding, is life-changing. First off, you want to realize what it is that you have a hard time accepting about yourself or your life. And that is not as obvious as you would think. It's tricky. Your subconscious wants to hide certain things from you to protect you. So you gotta look. And where you gotta look is where you want to look the least, because what you need most is where you are willing to look the least. So start looking. You can start by answering these questions. In what ways do you punish yourself, and why? What are some negative self-beliefs that you have? In what ways do you try and fix yourself? In what ways have you been trying to fix yourself for years? Why do you carry guilt with yourself? What part of you is hardest to love? With what part of yourself can you not have any forgiveness? In what context are you being a bully towards yourself? People would love me if what? I don't deserve that because what? Good. You're starting to bring awareness to what you can't have radical acceptance towards. What do you do next? The whole idea is to go from I will love myself, accept myself, and feel deserving when to I love and accept myself right here, right now, and I feel deserving even though You're not trying to fix yourself. You're trying to meet yourself where you are so that you can help yourself. You want to look at that part of you that you don't want to exist. Look at it. Have the courage to look and be like, you know what? It's okay. It's all right that you're here. I accept you as you are. You're part of me, and I love myself. I accept myself. You know why? Because true love is about that. People that you love in your life, do you pick out every single thing that's wrong with them and say, you be perfect or else I won't love you? If you love those who love you, what credit is that to you? Even sinners love those who love them. That's a Jesus verse, and he absolutely ate with that. Even the most horrible, narcissistic, abusive people on earth will love you and treat you well as long as you serve them. Become an inconvenience and they leave. And maybe that happened to you as a child. Maybe that's why you don't have radical acceptance. Or as an adult, expand your heart. Learn to love. Practice it. Act in alignment and think in alignment with radical acceptance towards those parts of you. When those thinking patterns that are negative come, when those punishing behaviors come, take a step back. Look at them. Choose differently. To take it further, what you can do is pick these parts of yourself and depersonalize them. That shadow within you that is punishing, that is making self-acceptance hard, give it a name. Give it a face. Hell, go buy a toy that looks exactly like it and call it a name. Mr. Judgment, Mrs. Too Much, whatever you want to call it. Talk to it. Look at it. Befriend it. Make it go from an enemy to a friend. Try and understand it. Comfort it when it comes up. Look where you don't want to look. Have the courage to look. You can do it. I believe in you. And have patience. It's a step-by-step process, and it might take time, but you fucking deserve it.